Hello, best friend. We are here on the Target parking lot.
Hi,
We're going to go
Hi.
do some shopping.
hi, hi, hi,
Because
hi, hi.
this October is back to school soon.
Bro, I don't want to go back.
I
I
don't
have
want
to
to go back. I don't want to go back.
Oh, you have to go back to school. Remember, you wanted a math book. Is that what you want? Huh? Why do you want a math book? Math? Is that
Because,
pronounced it correct?
Because I want to be smarter.
Hey. Hi. Okay, we are here at Target, guys. Hmm? Let's go, guys. It's an in. Let's go in. What's that?
I gotta get this one back.
Hey,
What?
you haven't asked me yet, Ronnie.
Oh,
Why?
you gotta ask,
Oh,
bro.
Hey,
please, can we get this,
Give me
please?
this one.
What are these?
Bro.
What are these?
how much is that? How much? It's $4.99. It's expensive.
I'll pay, bro.
You pay. Ronnie, this is very expensive. And
I know.
I'll
Just please. Get it.
hmm?
Please, bro.
pay you.
Okay, I'm gonna get. We're gonna get one each. This is so expensive, though. It's $4.99 each.
Whoa.
All right, guys.
Because it's really hot.
Ronnie?
It's made by Ryan Train.
Hmm? It's made by who?
Huh?
It's made by who?
Ryan Trahan.
Can you see it? Oh.
He's a YouTuber.
Oh. What are you doing?
Oh my god.
It's right here. Oh. It's a toddler one. Oh, there's one. There's a kid. There's 25% too. Come on, big boy. Hey. You two, come on. Where are you? Let's go. Hey, come on. What are you doing there?
It's not teal. These
Come
are
on.
stories.
It said it's a box.
Yeah.
These are stories.
Huh?
These
These
are
are stories.
These are toys. Also, they don't have the
Stories.
math box here.
Nope, not for this kid.
Not for this kid. Okay.
What's that?
Okay, go ask.
Look for here.
Said those books only available online.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay, maybe we'll check on Amazon. We'll check on Amazon if so they have 8 to 13 years old here.
These all mid. These have. Oh, the hot mess.
Yeah, but you already have Hot Mess.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No,
Yeah, we do.
We do.
we don't.
We just read it last time.
We don't have it.
You have a bunch of Wimpy Kid books. That's why you forget.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, Ronnie wanted a math book, but we can't find anywhere here in Target. They said that's only available online. So, all right, we're just gonna have to check
I'm not
shop
sure.
online. Hmm?
I'm not sure if it was a middle school math book.
Okay.
Percy Jackson.
Found something. Oh, look, it's Mr. Beast. 100 official. We needed some bread. I have had the buns and
That's for
bread
dinner.
and get some bagel. Also, we need some cereal. What kind of cereal do you want, buddy?
Yo,
Huh?
67 days until Halloween.
Yeah. What?
7.
Which one do you want? Which one?
Oh, no. Oh, yes. Right there.
Where? What? Oh, the cocoa.
They're tough. They're tough, bro.
Is this one? Oh,
Because if you let them
Cocoa Pebbles.
soak it
You,
in,
you pronounce it Cocoa Pebbles?
yeah.
Oh, I'm just following Ronnie. You found it? Oh. Oh, yeah. It's 2 for $5. Pringles. Oh, it's the Cheetos.
2
Oh no, it's a Cheetos. It's not the.
mingles. Pringles, mingles.
You get two.
You like this? Oops.
You get two for $5.
2 for $5. It's 3 for $6. Said 3 for $6.
Look at
Okay.
It's on my face.
Oh, okay. Hmm?
So, with these,
Huh? We need spices. We need the dip.
We need the dip. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is all. That's enough. No more. Okay? We have to get out. Ouch. Ouch. Where's the dipper?
Let's go. Wait, dip?
Yeah? Which one? This one? Tostitos?
Pringles dip.
This is one, buddy?
oh yeah, right there.
In it. Lays? Or
Sour
Tostitos?
cream.
I think anything is
Sour
fine.
cream
Anything.
or smooth ranch.
Yeah. Okay, look at that. Oh, that's $5. Oh yeah? Look, they have the Mickey Mouse thing here. And they have the Disney house. Look, let's go. Ronnie, where are you going?
Can you see this? Look at that. Where's it? Oh, now. Hold on. Chill.
Right, guys. Think about it. Look for a pants that fits you. Come on. Ronnie. Come on. What are you doing? Get out here. Come on.
No.
Come on. They will see you. Come here. Ronnie. Bye, Ronnie. Okay.
How do I get
Now you want to
stuff
get
like
out there?
this?
Want to get out there? Will you help him, big boy, please?
Ow.
Come on.
bro.
No.
Okay, you want to
No,
do?
well, this is the most comfortable place.
Come on. Hey, come on. Out.
No, well, I want to do this.
Look at him still there. Stay there.
Oh, I think this fits, bro.
Mom, what
This is
time?
good.
You can try it. You can go to the fitting rooms.
Nah,
Okay,
bro, fine.
let's
bro.
find one more.
One more.
Yeah.
Then sweats.
Okay. Go grab the other one and go to the fitting
The one
room.
where I fell?
Yes. Go on. We'll wait here for you, buddy.
Where I
Okay.
fell?
Okay. We'll wait here. Hmm?
The guys are standing.
Should I do the oil foam?
No.
Nah, I gotta do it.
No. No, you're
gotta
not.
do it.
No, 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 no. No more standing.
Nah, bro, please.
No more standing, Ronnie.
Nah, bro, you gotta push me while doing it.
No, no, I'm not gonna push you. It's scary. I don't want you to get hurt. No, I'm not gonna. No, I'm not. I'm not. Crazy.
Okay, that's not.
Okay. So, more pants, huh?
That's good.
Huh?
Well,
All right, guys. We're going to go check out here. Guys, hi guys.
Hey guys.
Hi best friend. We're back. We're inside the car now.
Alright!
Yeah.
Alright!
So
What we got, chat?
we get a big
Alright.
boy pants, but we didn't get a matte book for Ronnie, so we're just gonna have to look online. All right, Ronnie.
Okay.
But we got him. What you got there? A joyride. Joyride and
Ow!
what's the name of your chips?
Pringles, mingles.
Pringles, Mingles, and we're gonna have to eat that later tonight. Bye, guys.
What's for dinner?